Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the developer mode on any Android phone. So I'm using a Samsung phone, and this is going to be a little bit different from many devices. So let's go to settings right here, but it's going to be pretty much the same process. So go all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see something called About Phone. Click About Phone. Now under here, we want to go to Software Information. Then go to the build number and tap this like 5 times, and it will say developer mode is unlocked. So once it says that, we can back out. Now it's going to display under About Phone right here, developer options. Now if you have a different kind of phone, it's going to be in a different location. So I have this Honor phone right here, and this has the most current version of Android. So what we want to do is go down, and this is going to be under System and Updates after I unlock this. And right here you'll see it, developer options. Now just enable it on the top, so you can see on my Samsung phone it's right here. And there could be a couple good settings under here, like stay awake. This will keep your phone screen on if you're charging it. Now to unlock it on this phone, you just need to go to About Phone. It's so much easier. You just go to build number and tap it, and it's unlocked. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tac.